Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your country or region in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. It's quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video how to do that as well. Now let's simply move to the topic. At the top left, just below this Amazon icon, you'll find something called as all and these three lines. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Well, here are many things you guys can look around from. But right now, I just want to change the country. So I'm just gonna scroll right back down. And right here, as you can see, a country has been selected. Do note that this may vary as per your location. I'm gonna click on it right now. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. Well, right here it says select your preferred country, region, website. Simply click on the drop down right here. Now from here, select the region of your choice. Let's just say I select this one, and denote a new country or region website selection will open in a new tab. Well, as you can see, I have selected Australia. Now I'm just gonna click on go to website. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your country or region in your Amazon account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.